Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cyber hygiene with Kaspersky step by step clearly. To upgrade your cyber hygiene with Kaspersky, start by visiting the official Kaspersky website. Locate the download section. Choose the Kaspersky product that best suits your needs, such as Kaspersky Security Cloud or Kaspersky Internet Security. Click on the download button for your selected product. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Review the license agreement and accept the terms to continue. Select the installation type, opting for either standard or custom settings. If you choose custom, select the features you want to install. Choose your preferred installation location or leave it at the default setting. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once completed, click on the Finish button to exit the installer. Upon first launch, enter your activation code if you have purchased a license. If you are using a free version, click on the appropriate option to activate. Next, follow the initial setup wizard to customize your security settings. Enable real-time protection to ensure your device is safeguarded from threats. Consider activating automatic updates to keep the software current. Schedule regular system scans to identify and eliminate potential vulnerabilities. Use the VPN feature if available, to secure your internet connection. Regularly review the security dashboard for alerts and system status. Take advantage of Kaspersky's password manager for creating and storing secure passwords. Educate yourself on phishing and social engineering threats through Kaspersky's resources. Remember to regularly update your software and training for optimal cyber hygiene. Ensure that your operating system and all applications are kept up to date. Lastly, maintain awareness of the latest cyber threats and practices to stay protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.